Hello, I'm Bishop June, the Bishop of Llandaff, and this message is for those of you involved with Pride, particularly for those of you who would be running the faith tent or popped in to see what goes on there. I'm a very great believer in the importance of Pride. It's a wonderful part of our summer schedule. I once blessed the first Pride March in a town where I previously lived, and I did that because I think that the message of Pride is so important. It is a symbol to us of how our society is absolutely dependent on healthy diversity. Now, the faith tent reminds us all how radical that message is. Not all worldviews hold to the equality of human life. But I believe that every human being is equal and deserves the sense of value and dignity. No ifs, no buts. Our society is only as good as it can be if it's inclusive. Now, from my own faith tradition, the Christian tradition, we have always championed the values of equality and diversity. We haven't always lived by them, but they've been right there in the heart of what the Christian faith speaks about, which is that God values everybody equally. Now, this year Pride is very different, isn't it? There will be no jamborees, no massed crowds, and yet it still has presence for us. And I want to say to those of you who are involved with Pride this year, remember that faith matters. Faith that is worth believing in and giving your loyalty to stands for exactly what Pride stands for, the challenge of equality. So God bless you, and may you celebrate in these very strange times, may you celebrate the dignity and pride of being you.